clap when she says it's stop.
So now I call Chatura is going to perform a dance on inverters.
While you're clapping before, don't clap.
కోరండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన కోరండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన కోరండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన పాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన పిలచీన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగారమాయ పిలచీన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగారమాయ పిలచీన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగారమాయ పిలచీన పలుకవేమి కలలోని నామస్మరణ మరువా చక్కని తండ్రి కలలోని నామస్మరణ మరువా చక్కని తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయన కోరండపాణి పారమాయన రాతిని నాటిగ చేసి భూతలమందున రాతిని నాటిగ చేసి రాతిని నాటిగ చేసి భూతలమందున రాతిని నాటిగ చేసి భూతలమందున ఖ్యాతిగాంచి శివని ఎదనే నమ్మితినయ్య ఖ్యాతిగాంచి శివని ఎదనే నమ్మితినయ్య పలుకే 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 బంగారమాయన కోరండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన కోరండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయన ఎంత వేడిన గాని సుందైన రాయరాగా 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 పంచము చేయని ఎంతటి వాడను తండ్రి పంచము చేయని ఎంతటి వాడను తండ్రి పలుకే
What I call group song, Ye Watan Mere Watan, please come on to the dais. Give big round of applause to them. ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन तुझ जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन।
Think that they did the dance like it was very colorful. Cadets' most awaiting event is prize distribution. Now I request Camp Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Vishnu Prasad Nair sir onto the dais to present the medals to the cadets.
Pause. Next, I would like to call SD V. Balasubramaniam. అది యాక్చువల్ గా వాళ్ళు టూ బెస్ట్ ఫైటర్స్ వాళ్ళిద్దరు టై అయింది కాబట్టి ఇద్దరు క్యాండిడేట్స్ కి ఎట్ ఏ టైం గోల్డ్ మెడల్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. Give them a round of applause.
From JD R. Abhinav Krishna, Alpha Company.
Charlie Company. Hurry up, hurry up. Now it's the time for best candidates in SD. B. Jodhraj. Best candidate from SD, B. Jodhraj, Alpha Company. SW from JD, A. Rao Company. JD best candidate, Raj Karan, Alpha Company. JW Akshara, Charlie Company. They are the best candidates of the camp. The candidates. Coco. Coco is the PI staff and ANOs. Please come onto the stage along with the cadets. First captain, then remaining. Charlie Company. Here. Okay. Give them a round of applause. Of Charlie Company. Now the winners are Bravo Company. Here and PA staff and ANO, please come on to the stage along with the candidates. Bravo Company. ANO sir. Another. Last में group photo होगा टीम के साथ.
నువ్వేం చెప్తాను
What happened, cadets? Give them a round of applause. They are the winners from your group. Company ANO and PSO, please come onto the stage along with us. Now I call Kho-Kho runner-up Bravo Company, SWJW, Bravo Company. Hurry up. Bravo Company Kho-Kho team, please come onto the stage to receive the medal. Hurry up. Now I call SWJW Kho-Kho runner-up Bravo Company. Charlie Company. Sir, line is back. Line up, Charlie Company. Wait. क्या हुआ, पूरा पार्टी ढीला पड़ गई। ब्रावो कंपनी तो मेडल ले रहे, आप लोग तो खामोश बैठ गए। Give them a round of applause. Bravo company, what happened? Bravo. और जोश। अच्छा, अभी चार्ली कंपनी का देख लेना फिर। नेक्स्ट अभी चार्ली कंपनी का देखना। Now మాట్లాడొద్దు बेटा। Now I would like to call volleyball SDJD runner-up Delta Company. Delta Company senior in charges PSF and Neno. सर आप भी आ जाओ, हम सब भारतीय हैं, आ जाओ। डेल्टा एनो, डेल्टा कंपनी एनो, आइए सर। थैंक यू। हाँ ओके निशा। Alpha Company in charge, Eno, Madam Pramila Madam, you are also from Alpha Company. Please come on to the stage. You are behind the curtain. Come. Sir, take Madam also. Sandeep sir. Kitty Babu sir, Alpha Company. हाँ ठीक है। इसका मतलब हर एक कंपनी को प्राइज मिला था, अल्फा, डेल्टा, ब्रावो, चार्ली। What happened, cadets? Give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause. Encourage them with your claps. जेडी और पूरा दो। वॉलीबॉल विनर्स
बैक से
What happened, Alpha Company? Give them a round of applause. Alpha. किसी बाबू सर जरूरत नहीं है। Alpha Company मेडल ले रहे हैं। बस 10-15 मिनट में प्रोग्राम खत्म है। प्लीज जस्ट 10-15 minutes we are going to close the program. Next, winners of volleyball SWJW Charlie Company. तो मतलब माइंड को सर पूरे बच्चों का माइंड में बिठा के रखा। हाँ सर, 40 कंपनी है फुल जोश से सर। हाँ, I request Pramila madam, please come on to the stage. Start say your. Right, okay. Cadets, give them a round of applause. Now the winners of volleyball team, Charlie Company. I request anyone PA staff of Stanley Company, please come onto the stage. पीछे है तो to call DG Satvika, Camp Senior SW. Good. Next item arrangement party, please be ready.
Senior said that without them, I can't do anything. Without the support of them. It's true. It's true.
No? ये लोग अभी जो स्टेज पे है ये लोग आगे होके सर्व करे के पूरा अरेंजमेंट्स करे, बट बिहाइंड द कर्टेन देयर आर 3 more persons, जैसे वो क्या नाम था, हरप्रीत साहब, सुबेदार हरप्रीत साहब एंड हवलदार जहांगीर साहब एंड राउंड द क्लॉक 24/7 वेजिटेबल्स का जो भी है, these are the persons behind the curtain. All rounder, give her a round of applause. Next, Chaturya from Indore High School. Please come on to the stage to receive the medal. Hurry up. Young students, please stand up. Now, Akshaya and Snigdha from Matrix School. एक कल्चरल वालों का ग्रुप फोटो होगा, लास्ट में होगा, ठीक है ना? सिंधु जॉइंट ग्रुप फ्रॉम 32. Hurry up. I request everyone, please put your hands together. आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए वो लोग 3-4 दिन मेहनत करे, सो प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर. हर्षिता एंड ग्रुप. ओ पिलेगा. Hurry up. Speed up. Next. Only one person. He represented entire HC and JD. बाबूराव तेरे को टाइम ज़्यादा हो गया. And last time we represented IGC also. IGC cadet. Next, Tejasvi and group from Indore. Tejasvi. Next, Shravani. GGHS Kasbadali. Shravani and group. What happened, cadets? Please maintain silence. Give them a round of applause. Convey your best wishes through claps. Now, Sarika and group, Dhimi Dhimi Naach. Three are JW sir from GGHS Kasbadali. सारे तो फुल जोश के साथ है. साहिल सर. Next, Jadhav Payal Pooja. Jadhav Pooja. Hurry up. Next, Meenakshi and group. Meenakshi and group. Meenakshi and group evaru? Meenakshi and group. Come. Payal. Okay. Next, CH Vaishnavi. Give them a round of applause. Senegal Sheila. Answers. Scared. Vaishnavi and Udayasri from 12th Telangana Battalion. Next, Srivani and group. Srivani and group. Next, I would like to call anchors Sweta, Soumya and Akshaya onto the stage to receive the medals. I request all the cultural team, please come onto the stage. All the cultural team, come onto the stage. Again. Okay.
Forward, all of you. Maintain smile.
Okay, Jai Hind to all of you. How are you all? Enjoyed the cultural program? Yes, sir. Okay, so please give. Okay, so like during the opening address I told you what is the aim of the camp. You are all aware? Do you remember? Yes, sir. Okay. So the aim of the camp is to acquaint you and give you a feeling of how the army life is. Okay, how we live, what we do. Basically, to give you a sense of community living and to make you self-dependent and self-reliant. But during the course of the camp, you are supposed to learn a few things. Like during the opening address I told you, keep the area clean, okay? Maintain cleanliness. That is one thing which you must learn from now itself and follow throughout your life. And teach the people who are living near you, in your neighborhood. That is one challenge today our country is facing. We are generating more waste or more garbage than we can handle. So you must learn to generate less waste, firstly. Okay? Second thing is you must realize the value of water. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत पानी मिल रहा है, you don't realize. But you must start learning to save water, you must start learning to save electricity. The comfort which you have been given here, एक्चुअल में आर्मी में आप लोग अगर जाओगे तो इतना कंफर्ट शायद आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, आप लोगों को यहाँ पे जो मिल रहा है that is actually more than what the army people actually get in some areas. Some areas you won't get water, some areas you won't have electricity. तो यहाँ पे जो भी मिल रहा है it is actually a luxury for you. ठीक है? Whatever field of life you go to, आप फौज में आओ, आर्मी, एयरफोर्स, नेवी, या आप पुलिस में भी जा सकते हो, और you can become a civil services officer, you can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can become a teacher. आप कुछ भी बनो, but the basic aim of NCC is to make you good, responsible citizens. Okay, पहले आपने वो बनना है. First you must become good citizens of the country. आप कोई भी फील्ड में जाके काम करो. And that day अभी हमारा वर्कशॉप हुआ था एक्सपा वाला. How many of you attended? कितने थे उसमें? Okay, good. Did it help you? So one thing during the exercise, which probably they would have realized this, to serve the nation, it is not necessary that you have to wear the uniform. है ना? आप नेशन को सिर्फ यूनिफॉर्म पहन के ही सर्व करना जरूरी नहीं है. आप कुछ भी काम करो, किसी भी फील्ड में काम करो, you are still serving the nation in one way or the other. हर तरीके से you are contributing to the growth of the nation. So whatever you learn in NCC today, आप किसी भी फील्ड में काम करो, but you must always remember what you have been taught. डिसिप्लिन सिखाया आप लोगों को, है ना? तो वो डिसिप्लिन सिर्फ यहाँ पे दिखाने के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं बाहर देखता हूँ रोड पे, when you go out, NCC cadets roaming, you know, without caps. कैप्स हाथ में पकड़ा है, बेल्ट हाथ में पकड़ा है. ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों ने यूनिफॉर्म पहना है तो देयर इज अ डिग्निटी ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्म का इज्जत है ना? वो यूनिफॉर्म का इज्जत रखना है आप लोगों ने. वर्दी में बैठ के ट्रिपलिंग करके जा रहा है, डज इट लुक गुड? यू आर वेयरिंग यूनिफॉर्म. इफ यू ब्रेक द रूल्स, द पीपल हु आर लुकिंग एट यू, what will they think of you? That this is what they have been taught. यूनिफॉर्म में सिग्नल तोड़ रहा है, यूनिफॉर्म में रॉन्ग साइड से आ रहा है. ठीक है? So you should refrain from doing these things. That is why we are training you. It is not only कि आप लोगों को ड्रिल सिखा दिया, वेपन ट्रेनिंग सिखा दिया, सिर्फ उतना ही नहीं है NCC. NCC is much more than that. Are you understanding me? तो जब भी आप बाहर हो, वो लोगों को डिफरेंस दिखना चाहिए. They should be able to make out कि he is a NCC cadet and the other students in your college who are not in NCC. That difference should be visible. तभी फायदा है आप लोगों को ट्रेन करने का. अगर आप लोग सिर्फ NCC में आ रहे हो कि थोड़ा सा ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, हम सर्टिफिकेट ले लेंगे, हमको बेनिफिट हो जाएगा, then that intention is very wrong. ठीक है, NCC में आप लोग आए हो, जो सीख रहे हो, imbibe those qualities within you so that you become a better person when you finish NCC. ठीक है? So next time I meet a NCC cadet outside, I should be able to make out even without your uniform that you are a NCC cadet. ठीक है? So I would say because of all your cooperation, the camp has been quite successful. You people have maintained an adequate level of discipline, and I'm also thankful to all the ANOs, all the PI staff, all the civil staff, the outsourcing people who have been working behind the scenes for success of the camp. Also the ACP, Mr. Mastan Ali, who is in charge of this academy, and the police department, who have allowed us to use this space for conduct of the camp, and also all the other people like the medical people who have been here throughout to help us out. So I hope when you leave the camp, you are taking with you something new which you have learned, and you will keep it with you always together. Okay? Thank you. Jai Hind.
Valuable words. On behalf of Camp Commandant, I, Cadet S. Akshaya, conveying a special thanks to CP of Nizamabad, ACP Mastan Ali Sir, Principal CTC Jankampet. I thank all the ANOs, PI staff, civilian staff, ACP Nizamabad Traffic Police, District Fire Officer and his staff, 108 Program in charge Salim Sir and staff, and I thank AD Electricity Department and conveying special thanks to medical staff who provided first aid, and CTC Jankampet staff and cooking staff who prepared healthy and tasty food for us. Last but not least, I convey our special thanks to the outside services. Thank you very much. I request everyone to stand up for NCC song followed by national anthem.